The BSc Computing degree at the University of South Wales focuses heavily on the practical skills that a computing professional will need, so making sure that you're ready to go into industry. The course was designed and developed in collaboration with a number of external employers to make sure that the content that we were providing was fitting the needs of employers in this fast-moving industry. This course encompasses a number of themes that are built on year. So these include things like software development, database development, network technologies, web development and the Internet of Things. We also teach students personal skills, so they're developing things like problem solving, team working, self-sufficiency, and crucially we make sure that students have got the confidence to be able to forge their own career path in topics of their own choosing, so that they've got the ability to enter the workplace in a confident manner. Students really enjoy the practical nature of the course as well as the variety of skills that they get taught about. This gives them the ability to make decisions for themselves about the areas that they decide they want to specialise in. Graduates from the computing degree go on to work in a number of different roles: software developer, project manager, web designer. But crucially, you might not know exactly what these roles entail at the start of your course. You just know that you want to work with computers somehow. Well, during the course, you learn more about exactly what these roles really involve and be able to choose a path that suits you the best.